Today I'm taking you to the most beautiful twin falls in all of Georgia, Anna Ruby Falls, just outside of Helen, Georgia. Anna Ruby Falls follows a 0.4 mile cement path to the top. It's popular, expected to be busy. The falls to the left is Curtis Creek, which drops 153 feet. The falls to the right is York Creek, which drops 50 feet. The falls were founded in the 1800s by Colonel James Nichols, who named it after his daughter, Anna Ruby. The two creeks merge at the base of the falls, which forms Smith Creek, which is the creek you're following on the way up.